Okay, I want to start off by showing you if I go to, I think I put it under explosives, um, all of these, if I inspect them, those thumbnails are no bigger than 200 pixels. Um, this one as well, no bigger than 200 pixels. Um, the actual image is no wider than 500 pixels. And it's the same with each of them on here. No bigger than 200. If I click on it, this one's not going to be bigger than 500. See? So all of those are sized correctly. If I go to explosives, I did put extra images on here to show you that I could. Same, I think, with Rocket. There are extra images there as well. And then if I go into my PHP database, you can see Rocket and then the Rocket thumbnail, Anvil thumbnail, all of those have the image and the thumbnail on them as well. Then I can validate my CSS and my HTML. So CSS is valid, and then my HTML is also valid. No errors found.